Exchange of gases. All living organisms exchange gases with the environment. Exchange of gases is necessary so that cells obtain the gases needed for metabolic processes and remove gaseous metabolic waste. Through respiration, gases exchange with the atmosphere via the blood. The partial pressure of oxygen in alveolar spaces in the lungs is greater than the partial pressure of oxygen in the blood. So, oxygen diffuses into red blood cells from air in the lungs. Also, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the blood is greater than the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the air in the lungs, so carbon dioxide diffuses out from red blood cells into air in the lungs. Oxygen-rich blood reaches to the heart via pulmonary veins and then it is pumped to the body through systemic arteries. The partial pressure of oxygen in the body tissues is lower than the partial pressure of oxygen in the blood. So, oxygen diffuses out from red blood cells at the body tissues. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the blood is lower than the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the body tissues, so CO2 diffuses into red blood cells. Oxygen-poor blood reaches the heart through systemic veins and then it is pumped to the lungs through pulmonary arteries, where gas exchange again provides the blood with oxygen and removes carbon dioxide.